Understanding boil on high in English cooking terms. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking, boil on high. This phrase might be familiar to many, but for those learning English, understanding these specific cooking terms can be quite helpful. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning behind boil on high. First, let's understand the term boil. Boiling is a method of cooking where a liquid, usually water, is heated to its boiling point. At this point, you'll see bubbles forming and rising to the surface. It's a basic cooking technique used worldwide. Now, let's look at the word high in a cooking context. In cooking, high refers to the temperature setting on your stove or cooking source. When a recipe says to cook something on high, it means to use the highest temperature setting to generate the most heat. So, when we combine these two terms, boil on high means to bring a liquid to its boiling point using the highest temperature setting on your stove. This is often used to cook or prepare food quickly, as the high heat speeds up the boiling process. Boil on high is commonly used in recipes for making pasta, soups, or boiling vegetables. A key tip is to always keep an eye on what you're boiling, as high heat can cause the liquid to evaporate quickly or the contents to overflow. I hope this video clarifies the phrase, boil on high, for all the English language learners out there. Remember, cooking terms can be simple yet crucial in understanding and following recipes correctly. Happy cooking and learning! See you in the next video.